The other thing that you can do, as well as sort of developing comprehension, is use news bulletins to develop composition. When you watch a news bulletin, there is much that doesn't need to be said because of the visuals. So a written exercise coming out of watching an audiovisual news bulletin could be to create the written form of that, not the transcript, which will be provided anyway, but maybe working from the audiovisual and from the transcript to create a newspaper page where you will have to describe what things looked like. You may have to describe the age of people in a way that you wouldn't have to do in an audiovisual because you can see those things. So that in itself would be quite an interesting use of the medium, taking it in effect from one medium to another medium and looking at how, say, expanded noun phrases might be developed because you can't see something, you have to describe it in more detail.